Shay ate the fox and me tell her, say she drive past her people. She drive, the only thing we part Mountain View and airport is Rockfort. A Rockfort. Shay come off of the plane and go to Portmore. You pass Mountain View when you could drop off your suitcase a little boy. You never like when I say so. You never like when I say so. I want Queenie want me tell her say she never breastfeed yet. When we talk, she not talk the story good, you know. She, you see your mouth are your problem, little girl. Your mouth make you could come back to Jamaica. Your mouth make it that for run because all you do, you're going, I don't want to talk something because make it rest. Then you so for wash, you know. So if you take off them and wash them. I want one next set of them, you know. One next couple. Come, steady your head. Shebada, you should not take it aside if you felt Shay. If you felt Shay wrong, should tell her off live. Excuse me, come here. Me not say Shay for tell Shay off live. Me tell Shay say she wrong on live, in a live, out a live, everywhere me tell Shay say she wrong. She a big woman. Me no need to tell Shay say she wrong, alright. Me and Shay now whole conversation about nobody at all. Me and Shay now link up a week time, but nobody at all. So when you ever say me need to tell Shay say she wrong offline, if Shay can walk and carry news to everybody, why she never vent how she feel about when me say? But me say Shay know exactly say I'm talking the truth, and Shay knows say me got always talk the truth. Come and look on Shay on this and me say, you see when you start make your rounds on the app and you start make yourself friendly and the internet will tear you down, I will be the first to come and tell it to your face. And she say, yeah, tell me. So I don't know how big old Queenie I act up and I go on up. Like say me I take side, me not take side. If Jaden wrong. But why would you buy into Jaden's foolery and make it a hurt your head because you want a content out of it too? So guess what? You want the internet for say, Jaden a trouble me, Jaden a take side from me. Jaden a go always plague people because he's my internet plague. But you not buy into it. Where Shay are doing a Jaden house, for me take Shay's side now when Shay say Jaden a doctor man. Knowing that Jaden is my man and Shay tell me say my mate brighter than me because he is a doctor. Huh? Or me if I take Shay's side now. Huh? Explain to me. Because you know make no sense, you know. Huh? You cuss and talk say you hate Jaden and I ask you and Shay. I say Queenie still hate Jaden. I dey on live screen record there. I call on her out and when I call on her out and I say me a throw shades. I always a call on her out. Queenie move your stinking self and go. Cause under filter you have to look with a Belgium. Move your stinking self and go. And what do you Queenie? You go like your portion and nothing and clothes look new upon you. You're not used to clothes. You're not used to clothes, Queenie. Cause you go like you didn't make life at Jamaica. Come take up your fingerprint off for the people in Picnic. Come take up your fingerprint off for the people in Picnic. Yeah, come and go on like your portion on a body. And if Shay put you out right now, Belgium cold gear flu. Any old Shay put you out right now, I'll eat a Belgium gear flu. So with the whole honesty, I'm gonna try to ask them. And one thing with me, if you tell me something, I hold it, you know. I hold it like a G. I'm tired to tell you this. I hold it like a G once you say something. But don't come go like you want project. You want Jaden to say, me a source out him. Because, hey, Queenie go suck the little girl where you leave your fingerprint on now. She's supposed to mature by now. How long you there, Belgium? 7 years? Shay ate the fox and I tell her so she drive past her people. She drive, the only thing we part Mountain View and airport is Rockfort. A Rockfort. Shay come off of the plane and go to Portmore. You pass Mountain View when you could drop off your suitcase at your little boy. You never like when I say so. You never like when I say so. I wonder if Queenie want me to tell her that she never breastfeed yet. The only thing we part Mountain View and Palisades Road is Rockfort. So me don't know how she travel with so much luggage, my love. Pass our residency and go way over Jaden only for come back, come crash the boy. You're big and careless. You're big and careless. When you wake up, cause Belgium late. Wake up. Yeah. Remember foreign me the day when you reach Jamaica? It shock you. It shock you because you say, you said this. Me I come to Jamaica when Jaden did I make you make a thing. Shebada, me I come to Jamaica come give you 20 grand for your birthday. Because me look mash up. Dog, share some me want look. Me want look any way me can look. I made this. Me this. As your land me lift up. Shay, you are come at me ago. You remember? You remember, Shay? You are come at Jamaica, me I got fearing. When you see me at foreign, you couldn't even speechless, speechless. That's how you make me feel. When I don't see you in Jamaica, you're way overseas. Speechless. Yeah. Come now. You just never know about me. I may always tell Rosalie this. There is nothing she know about me. And if me and she ever book one place, if me and she ever book one place and she take out her phone, she got disappointed in the recording and the picture taking. Because one thing me know, she will come back and say me look fabulous now, bro. She, a matter of fact, Queenie, she never tell her this because you're not talking under this, me not like we don't know. We're not hypocrite, we don't save the good things them and bury them. She never tell us, she never knows say summer look. She never tell you. She must have. Because if she said it to Jaden and Diamond, she must have said, babes, the boy look good, skin clean, him not look like how him look on the app. What kind of filter that he might use? She must have said it to you. Because she tell Diamond, she tell Diamond. She never said, tell us when she see me, she look at me from head to toe, she has scanned me. She never tell us she has scanned me. She look at me ins and outer ins. When she the room, she uncomfortable. Ask anybody. You never know. Ask anybody. Ask my moderator them when I come tell them. I said the girl is so uncomfortable, I can't believe it. I'm like, what is going on? May I try me the night light? You know? Come on. May I try me the night light? She uncomfortable. And come cause she wonder how me look so. Me look like a me come and she gone. For true, me look like a me come and she gone. She talk truth now. Actually, me no want go down in some nitty gritty, some little petty something, Actually, me no want go down in it, Actually, me no want go down in some petty something. Come here tell you say me a star of my show. Me never come in a play yet and get co-host. Me never get co-star yet. Me always main character. Me not get it in a script, me get it from the patrons outside. Sell me one Shebada ticket. Me no want go down in the lane. At the lane, me no want go down in a tree too narrow. Me want to stay up on the big broad road. Yeah? Because everybody are going to say, me didn't know that day you going to come. Of course the day did have to come and me did prepare long before Una because me know who them be. And Una never know who them be. Me know who them be long time. That's why me deal with them accordingly. You never know. Me deal with them accordingly. When Shay can't class, Roger say, and the boy Roger afraid of this and afraid that Shay can't class me attack so. Shay can't talk to me so cause Shay knows some angle my bangle. Yeah? She knows, so don't give Queenie no message to come give me Shay. You carry it come. You me want to carry the message come. No give Queenie nothing. Me want look in your eye and hold your hand and go down Emmanuel Road with you. Remember the days when me I used to broke rock stone? Eh? And say the Nancy poem? Eh? You remember them little Nancy something there? Yeah. Yeah, you remember that? 1, 2, 3, go down a gully, see by the Nancy skinny body. Yeah, yeah. Me never take no stone and lick him pan it, me did suck it. And me that try cool long a Nancy body cause everybody lick him on it. Me no want hold your hand and me you go down there. Me you go down there because you see me is a history teacher. And me gonna take you from your darkest days. Come right up cause Queenie go like she have a prize and she is still a teed. She is still a teed. She want a teeding ring. Yeah, she is still a teed. At that me want to know. So she no give Queenie a message. At the second time this you give Queenie a message for address me. And you ain't getting the third. The third time you have to come to me. Me not ask you. A long time I sit down and see it. At the second time you give Queenie a message to give to me. Me no want to argue with no fingerprint baby. Yeah. Me no want to argue with Queenie. Tell her to come pick up her fingerprint. She have to do biometrics over there. Tell her to come pick up her fingerprint after the baby. Yeah, me know why you give Queenie no message, more you address me yourself. Cause when Queenie attack, but say, I tell you, Shay first man was a barefoot man, and so me know Queenie and nobody. Shay never take nobody promisable yet, promising. Never yet from Shay a hook, Shay never take nobody with beard. Eh? No boy with beard. Cause you just, Queenie don't know you're sucking. If I me like him, I put syrup on it to change the flavor. You don't know where you're suck. Shay first son father a barefoot in breeder. A barefoot the relationship farm pants until the baby born. Hello. So when you and Shay lay down in a bed, ask her about her history, was a teacher, gain some interest. So when the whole are not up, that's why I don't want to hold my friend and then go down the road. I notice I said my friend, because this is the new friendship on the app where we know about you, we can't wait to tell you about you. Me not ask you, so don't come about me here. I mean like when I sit down and watch Queenie twice, I carry a message from Shay come give to me. I mean now go deal with it and a third time. You're a big woman, Shay. Address me yourself. You're a big woman. You're a big woman will take whole heap of dirty khaki. Address me yourself. Cause if me have anything to say, me address you. And me come boldly and me say, Shay, you're wrong. You're wrong, is a dirty drunk. Address me yourself. No make Queenie come to me cause me not the boy. Me not the girl. No make Queenie come to me. Cause you a finger Queenie and a Queenie a finger you. When Queenie come up and talk, but she like fingering because she ate your tongue. She ate your tongue, Queenie. Queenie will know the sex life not nice. One happy corner for true Latifula. We know, thank you very much, my baby. I threw me a course. Yeah? No come about me. Don't come about me. You're wicked to Jaden. I'm talking. Jaden might wicked to everybody else in the world. But you wicked to Jaden. You wicked to Jaden. Jaden might be wicked to everybody else, but you see you don't have no reason for do what you do, and that's all I'm talking about, and it you never want to hear. When you walk and chat people like dog, you notice you can't say you have a screen record with me. You notice you can't say you have nothing with me. I said this and I said that. Cause anything me talk out of my mouth, be nobody but me can come in at them face and say it. She remember you sit down in the vehicle, me dying for let you off. You chat everybody on the app. Me eat it, you chat everybody on the app. That's why time Jaden say you chat Shebada too. How much I feel away? When she sit down with me and rub out everybody. Then you think me no know say she chat me? Eh? Then you think me no know that? A Franklin Town I come from, I'm smarter than that. In a Franklin Town we chat everybody from all when you are, all big. Yeah, that yeah, Franklin Town we live. Everybody chat everybody. Then she think me never gonna chat you. As me let you off in your brown outfit. Me come back come talk or your outfit ugly old and where you get that from, because she me not in the line not even 5 and below. If them did a sell clothes up would have that. Number one, your jumpsuit, your sweatsuit short and your white sneakers, your Air Force yellow. Your Air Force yellow. Me not ask you. Remember saying nobody pan the app no know you know. That's why me keep you at bay. When King I say, Shebada shade you, and I shade me, I shade you, and you knew I wasn't shading you, you know me I treat you accordingly to your attitude. Yeah, you know that. Me say your little big, your ear where you have on beige kite. Me say when you visit, me say me, then why she come and fly a kite? Because your baby ear them just tell me, where? You know which time I want to use all the sauce and comes up on your forehead? But you eat spicy. Don't come by me, because you and Queeny can't put yourself together. Do not come about me. Because I now go do the jump up on the lick chest. You know them girl left me beat my chest. You're not so special to me. Yeah? You're not so special. Hello? Hey, I laugh, you laugh, or a ball, you ball, because the last time you tricked me, so you know. Alright. Yeah. My mother rate us the ability to hurt her. She can't take no more for stop. I mean, not start talk yet.